Good evening, New Zealand. So, may napansin ako sa kalangitan. Palibot ang mata ng kulay red. Sa paligid, namumula ang langit. So, mayroong parating sa New Zealand na super typhoon. Signal category 3. Signal number 3. So, papasok sa lakas nito ay 185 km/h. So, ang sentro nito, hindi ko lang alam kung mahagip bang South Island, pero ang sentro nito North Island. Tahimik ang mundo, tahimik ang paligid. Pero kaninang umaga, kahapon, malakas ang hangin. Pudang-pudang ang langit. Parang kulay dugo. Alert! Be prepared, entire New Zealand. Super typhoon are waving in entire New Zealand. This is a big cyclone. So, not only a cyclone or hurricane, or in Philippines they call bagyo. So, pulang-pulang langit. I want to show you. I'm not joking. So, pulang langit and then pula din. So, lalabas ako, titingnan ko. Basta ganito ang tinatawag na behavior ng paligid. Super typhoon to. Ayan o. May mangyayaring super typhoon. Kulay dugo ang langit. Kita niyan. Basta itong kulay dugo ang langit, may super typhoon na darating sa New Zealand. Bagyo, hurricane or cyclone. So, ito, pulang-pula. So, minsan lang ako magsasalita. Pero mababasa ko, ayun ang tinatawag na aklat ng kalikasan. Yun ang tinatawag na hurricane. Hurricane, cyclone, signal number 3. So, 100, yun na, nakita ko na, 185 km/h. Yung lakas ng bagyo na darating sa New Zealand. So, prepared North Island and South Island. Pulang-pula ang langit. Hindi ako nagbibiro. So, hurricane. This is a symbol of a super typhoon, cyclone, hurricane. Parating sa coming here in New Zealand. So, prepared for the strong wind and strong rain here in New Zealand. Yan, pula-pula. I-picture ko pa. So, not only a cyclone, hurricane, or bagyo for preparation. So, they have the oil price is high. So, 95 is 3.72. $3.72. So 90 crude oil is 3.89. 91 3.58 I think. So pataas na ang gasolina. Walang pula ang langit, kulay dugo. So wait lang. So prepared for North Island, New Zealand, and then South Island, New Zealand. They have a very strong hurricane coming in New Zealand country. Cyclone, they call cyclone or hurricane or typhoon, or in Tagalog, bagyo. Prepared for the strong rain. Signal number 3. Category 3 strong. So 185 kilometer per hour or much more higher. So prepared. Everybody prepared, especially in the perimeter in the ocean. I seen in the sky color red. It's like a blood color or dark orange. Maybe tomorrow that the hurricane coming tomorrow or the next day. I feel in my body is so much hot. They have a bad weather coming in New Zealand this week, maybe tomorrow or next day. So prepared entire New Zealand. I seen the duck they flying on the sky. I don't know where they go, but even the duck, they know that they have a bad weather coming in Zealand. So hindi ko lang alam kung natuloy ba ang why so many duck flying in the sky. Hindi ko lang alam kung natuloy ba ang so lalala ang gira na ito. So sabi ni Kim Jong-un, bubombahin daw niya ang North Korea, Tel Aviv, Israel. Well, they want to strike nuclear and also Washington. So, Thank you. Have a nice day. So, patuloy pa rin ang digmaan. So, abangan natin kung ano ba ang gagawin ng Amerika sa Iran. Kasi hanggang ngayon, di pa bukas ang Strait of Hormuz para sa lahat. Bye-bye. Good night. God bless.